What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy TYB aka Laneyy P. Welcome back to another video, another banger. And yes, we're back after the 7-Eleven. That only means one thing. We're meeting up with my boy D with the R33 GTR, and we are going to a Cars and Coffee, Cars and Donut, I think is the official term. I'm actually the MC for this event. I have no idea what that means, but I'm gonna be on the mic, you feel me, directing or announcing certain things. So I've never done that before, but I'm gonna give it my best. Yes, as you guys seen in the title of this video, we are taking delivery of new wheels and tires for Suzy. So later on in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna unbox those. But first, we're gonna cruise the Cars and Coffee. It's 5:30 a.m. and it's still dark outside. So y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the TYB family. We lit over here. I promise I'm putting in that work for y'all. Stop playing with him. Here he is. Oh, big Wayne gang out here, man. That still got no turning radius. Oh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. Why do so many of y'all hate this shit? I don't understand. Oh, so what you think of the wing, eh? Let me know some.
This is a Need for Speed type.
Oh yeah, this shit fat, huh?
That shit is clean as fuck.
Yeah. Way better in person, huh? The pictures don't do it justice. Not at all, bro. If y'all ever come to a meet or something and see me, come look at my car and look at this wing. This shit is fat.
That shit is great. I'm jealous. I'm gonna get
Hey, I might have a bigger wing than you now. On me.
You really do. That shit is clean as fuck, bro.
And we are officially off. Only 15 minutes away from the destination. Let's have a little fun. These little roundabouts, I'll be wanting to drift the hell out of these. I ain't gonna lie. Maybe one day we build a drift car and we'll drift one of these late at night when nobody's around, safely in Mexico. That shit. That shit looks sick. Hell yeah, gang. Fire. Oh my god, he's spitting flames! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, that shit sounds so good! Yeah, we got the wing, gang. That shit's sick.
Look at it go.
They got a little cappuccino. This shit is sick. I've never seen one of these in person. My boy got the board going on, but they got a little cappuccino right here. Another Suzy. I say what's up to my boy, man.
Boy?
What's the deal, gang? Got another Suzy that looks beautiful. Again, hood that I want. R35, beautiful. Y'all seen this before. My boy D still in the car, man. What's the deal, bro?
What's up?
How you been?
Good, man. Good.
Been great. All the discussed things and some Mopar boys. We love y'all. A lot of people's pulling up already. It's gonna be a good, nice little turnout. Hopefully I don't choke when I'm on the mic, but I don't know. We'll see. Well, you got that shit on. What's that? What's that is?
What this is,
Yeah.
it's that Driven Artisan hoodie, you know what I'm saying?
It's that
Soft
drip.
feel, keep you warm. You know what I'm saying? You can pick them up, go to driven_artisan.co, make your order.
Yes, sir. All right, y'all, just got done with the first little giveaway, and there's a whole lot of cars pulled up since the last time I picked out the camera. Look at these legends right here, RX-7, NSX. And we got my boy Suzy right here. Yeah, that motherfucker clean though. And we got another Suzy right there. Oh, you know I gotta have to stop and look at this. This is my favorite car of the whole meet. This is exactly how I would want to spec mine. The silver R33. You already know, I said this in the last video. I'm gonna say it again until I have one. You already know the drill. We gotta speak things into existence. We actually have a Toyota dealership, Temecula Valley Toyota dealership pulled up to the meet, and they're selling this Supra for $59,000, which no. The Supy's here today. We got the Aston hood popped. Nice V12. Let me know if y'all fan of Aston Martins. Me personally, I like them. They're cool, but I'd never buy one. But look at this, look at this Porsche. This green is so fire. Super sick. I wish Porsches were better YouTube cars. They really just don't hit in the algorithm, you know, but maybe we could change that. Maybe we can do a Porsche one day. Got a cool little Lodi. I like Lotuses. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if I'd ever buy one, but I appreciate them that they're here. Is this what kind of rap is this? I thought this was Lightning McQueen. This is some anime shit. Yeah, he on a whole nother level. We have to talk. I'm still to this day getting comments, hate comments about the R33. Why do y'all not like the R33? I don't understand. Is it because it didn't get like movie attention? It wasn't mainstream? I don't know. But me personally, y'all might hate me for this, but it's okay to have an opinion. It's like, it's okay for y'all to not like it. I just want to know why. I'm not the biggest fan of a R32. I like them, I respect them, they're cool. But R33 and 34s is just so much better looking, better performing. Just R32 is just not my thing. To me, it just looks like a better Integra. My Mopar boys at. I know I give y'all a hard time, but we still love y'all. Ooh, S2K on the TEs. Evo. I just peeped this thing. What is it? Yeah. I forgot to show y'all this earlier, but look at this color on this BMW right here. What is this? An M5. I don't know if y'all could tell, but it's like a Nardo-y gray with like a brown. It kind of looks like the color that's on the gray Supra, the manual versions. Good little breakfast, good little park bench on the car, you know. Liberty Walk. My boy asking him, how fast can you drive? That's just funny.
Later.
Woo! I'm so excited, y'all. Yesterday they pulled some tomfoolery on my ass. They said they were gonna be here yesterday, so I called off work. Wait for the truck to be here so I can get that footage of the truck pulling up and us taking it off the truck for the delivery video. But they lied. That shit was still in Vegas. But anyways, the delivery was actually really quick. They only took about a week to get here, so I can't complain. This is one of my favorite videos to watch on YouTube with other creators, and it is now becoming one of my favorite videos to make. This is my first ever set of wheels that I've ever purchased in my life. Before we open it up, y'all let me know y'all guesses down in the comment section below, and we'll see if y'all right. Some freshies? Laneyy got the freshies? They packaged these. Crazy. Oh, the packaging is crazy. I might have just ruined that. That's never gonna be able to go back on there. I'm not gonna be able to figure that out. And for the great reveal, we got some. We got some gram lights, y'all. Super dope. Look at the concave on these. I don't even want to remove the plastic, but y'all can see what it is. Oh, these look freaking sick. Oh my God. Just imagine these on Suzy, y'all. These are gonna look freaking crazy. I went with a 19 by, what did I get? I don't even know what the fuck I got. I went with a 19 by 9.5 and a 19 by 10.5 in the rears. I think these are plus 35 and those are plus 22. If I'm not mistaken, but the concave just looks sick. We're gonna throw some fat meats on here. I said we needed new wheels. We got new wheels. Come on, man. Don't ever tell me I don't deliver with this shit. But unfortunately, it's gonna take a little while before we can actually put these on, because I still have to install the stud kit, which isn't a problem. Just gotta find a jack. But the problem is tires. I have to wait for tires. All right, y'all, really quickly, I'm gonna interrupt. I don't know what clip or what part of the video this is going in, but I know I'm getting inserted in somewhere along the lines of us unboxing the rim, the wheels right here. Not too long ago, these tires, as I was unboxing the wheels, we didn't have these yet, but now we do. We have these big meaty boys right here, 305, 35, 19s for the rear. We're just waiting on the front two tires, and then we'll be able to mount them up, put the stud kit on, and be able to have the wheels on. So hopefully that will be in next video. I just wanted to update y'all that we did get some rear tires, and these things is fat. Wow. W's or L's in the comment section below on these wheels. I think it's a W. These things look absolutely beautiful. I'm in love right now. These are my first set of wheels. So yeah, if y'all haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the TYB family. We lit over here, I promise. And always remember to keep it player.
I got a stay bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark, bitch, on yellow. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell, cause she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
Dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.